Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to modify trades on TradeLocker. So first of all, we go right here to the screen and click here on the arrow. And if you don't have this screen, go right here to the panels and select here on Order Panel. Then you will get this screen right here. Then from here, we can select from here if you want to do a market order or a pending order. Market order is immediately, and pending can be a price range. When it got hit, then he will buy it automatically. But for now, we do a market one, and then we can select here sell or buy. Then if you click here on stop loss, we can create here a stop loss by selecting right here the amount or the price range where we want to stop loss, or we can tell them a percentage that we want to go down, or when it lost an amount of dollars. We can also do this for take profit, exactly the same way how we do that for this. Then once we did that, we select right here the amount that we want to trade. So this amount is fine. And then right now we click here on buy. Once we click here on buy, we click on confirm, he will buy it for us. But this is the way how you can modify your trade on TradeLocker. So hopefully this is the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.